Normally we do smash burgers here on the flat top. Sometimes we do tacos. Tonight we're gonna do smash tacos. So check this out. We got our balls of meat that we normally would do smash burgers with. I'll lay those all out on the grill. And then instead of smashing them down, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a tortilla on them, and we're gonna smash that. So, kind of make a little street smash tacos. 2, 3, 4. I've only got a certain amount of tortillas, so you see I've got my balls of meat there. Put some tortillas on top of them. Got some grilled veggies going as well. Same time. Then what we're going to do is we're going to smash these guys down. Nice and flat. Not too aggressive. Don't want to rip or shred the tortillas. Smash them on down. There we go. Let those go for a couple minutes. Get my veggies over here. A little bit more oil on them. Super easy recipe. You just take what you would normally do for a smashed burger, season it with some more taco type seasonings. We use the Kinder fajita seasoning. I'll post a link down below. And make smaller burger balls like these. Make them a little bit smaller, season them up, and then put them underneath the tortillas, smash them down, and we'll check it out. Smells good. Let those cook up a little bit. Let them do the thing. How they look. I'm gonna flip them. Oh yeah. So again, super easy to make. Put your ball down of meat, tortilla on it, smash it. Now inside these burger patties, we've got onion. I don't know if you can see it, but we've got onion, hatch chili, and the seasoning, and of course meat. I think there's probably, if I had to guess, probably an egg in there to help keep everything bound together, but it's gonna be an awesome dinner right here. There we go. Smashed tacos, some grilled veggies. Let's see how they taste. All right, kept it simple. A little cheese, a little salsa. Let's see. Fold them up. So good. All right, so the wife has her grilled veggies on top of her taco. Show the more extreme model. So let's see what we think.
Okay. So good. Really flavorful.
Well, you made the burger patties.
Well,